Hello students, in previous session we learned the first part of the 10th lesson, that is Rip Van Winkle. In that part we learned that in this lesson we met a person named as Rip Van Winkle. That person was very lazy and wants to sleep every time. So his wife always quarrel with him for doing some job, and because of got frustration, that Rip Van Winkle ran away from his house with his dog to a very high mountain, a very unknown spot where no one knows the Rip Van Winkle, and there Rip Van Winkle wants to sleep whole day. But what happened? One funny person asked some help to Rip Van Winkle and said that one barrel that funny person wants to go with that wants to carry near one stream, and so that funny person asked some help to the Rip Van Winkle. Now in this session we are going to see that Rip Van Winkle helped or not, or what happened next. I will read. You have to listen carefully. Open your textbook on page number 81. Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far up the mountain to avoid the work. Here was a man asking for help. He first decided to refuse, but then thought, let me help the poor man. Then I can rest. So he and the funny looking man walked down to a cave in the mountain below the stream. See what happened? First of all, that Rip Van Winkle climbed very high mountain because he wants to sleep. But when a funny man asked for the help, at that time Rip Van Winkle want to refuse. Refuse means what? Say no. I don't want to do help, like that. Rip Van Winkle wants to say no. But again, what he thought? He thought that I just help that person and after that I will take the rest. So that funny person and Rip Van Winkle carrying that barrel went up towards a cave. Cave means what? Cave means a big hole in the mountain. Okay, and both were carrying that barrel in that cave. What happened? See the next. The Rip Van Winkle saw many other funny looking men. All of them were playing. They ignored him. As soon as the barrel was placed on the ground, the men pulled out mugs, dipped them into the barrel and drank something. It was a strange sweet drink. See children, what happened? When that Rip Van Winkle and that funny person went in a cave near the stream and put the barrel one place. There are so many funny persons are there, but that persons ignored. Ignore means don't pay attention, not paid attention, okay, towards the Rip Van Winkle. And whenever they put the barrel on one place, what happened? That funny person dipped one mug into the barrel and drink something. In that barrel, some drink is there, something is there which is very strange and sweet. Okay, what it is we didn't know, but that Rip Van Winkle says that it is sweet and some strange. Okay, and every that funny person went near the barrel, dipped the mug and drink through the mug. What happens? See the next. Rip Van Winkle to dip a mug in the barrel and drank it. It tasted good. He had one more mug. After having 3 mugs, he fell asleep. And that every funny person drink from that mug something. So what happened? Rip Van Winkle also do the same. Dipped one mug and drink that something, and that Rip Van Winkle liked the taste of that drink. So one after one, 3 full mugs Rip Van Winkle had drunk. Okay, and what happened? After that, Rip Van Winkle feel that he wants to sleep, sleepy. Okay, so next, when he awoke, he saw that all the funny looking men had gone. He called out his dog, but there was no response. He could not believe he had slept the whole day and night. He got up, his joints ached. What happened? After drinking 3 mugs, he felt sleepy. Okay, and so that Rip Van Winkle sleep. And when that Rip Van Winkle woke up, what happened? There is no any funny person. All went away, and so that Rip Van Winkle called his dog, but there is no response. Means that Rip Van Winkle knows that he slept for a very long time. Means maybe one whole day and night. So what happened? His joints aged, means pain. He felt his all body joints are pained. And what happened, we will see remaining part in next session. Students, you have to read the learned part of the lesson. At the same time, you have to write new words which are in bold printed. Okay, and write with their meanings and send me the photocopy. Thank you.